Welcome to this video tutorial on how to install Ubuntu, a popular open-source operating system. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of installing Ubuntu on your computer. First, you need to download the Ubuntu ISO file from the official website and create a bootable USB stick. In this video we are going to install Ubuntu 22.4.2 long-term service version. After that we are downloading Rufus, which is a software that's used to create bootable USB stick. After the download completed, you can open Rufus and select the preferred plugged USB stick, downloaded Ubunutu ISO Image and other settings to create bootable USB stick. Once you have the bootable USB, plug it into your computer and turn it on. You may need to change the boot order in your computer's BIOS to make sure the USB is the first boot device. Once the Ubunutu OS is executed through your bootable USB stick, when you see the Ubuntu installation screen, install Ubuntu to begin the installation process. Make sure these settings are correct before proceeding. Next, you'll be prompted to choose your installation type. If you're installing Ubuntu alongside another operating system, select Install Ubuntu alongside. If you want to erase your entire disk and install Ubuntu, select Erase Disk and install Ubuntu. Additionally, there are some other options too. Select your drive which Ubunutu OS must be installed. After that, you'll be asked to enter your name, computer name, username, and password. Make sure you remember these details as you'll need them to log in to Ubuntu later. The installation process may take some time depending on your computer's specs. Once it's finished, you'll be prompted to restart your computer. After removing your bootable USB stick, after the restart, you'll see the Ubuntu login screen. Enter your username and password if you have selected to show login page while the installation process and you're ready to use Ubuntu. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Ubuntu on your computer. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this.